Hey, Max, Jenny. Να είμαστε πάλι εδώ. Here we are again. I told you that in 10 minutes it will be raining. So you see what's going on now? It's raining. Είστε. Σπάρκο, πάμε. Σπάρκο, let's go. Woohoo! Flora! Rania! Let's go in, baby. Let's go in. Έλα, Ράνια. Έλα, Ράνια. Μπράβο, αγάπη μου. Hey. Look at them. All of them are so nice and warm inside here. Oh. Outside is raining. This is Sir Tom. You remember Sir Tom? He was in one of my bedrooms in the house. Now he's here. Sir Tom. Oh. Somebody jump on me. Somebody jump on me. Somebody jump on me. Somebody jump on me. Oh. Oh my God. He loves me. He loves me so much. Oh. I don't like when they scratch. You know, cats, they can show you love by scratching you. Oh my God. Here we are. Oh. He's so funny. Come on. Okay. There he is. So this is Sir Tom. Oh, he jumped again. Here we are again. Here we are again. Oh my God. Kisses, kisses. Some kisses from a cat, from my lovely sweet cat. And another one. Oh, bless them. Amazing. Oh my God. I hope they can go out away from me now. Ah, that's it. Good job. Yes. Now I keep a distance from them. So, I said that this is Sir Tom, the guy with a broken face. He has been operated. And now he's here in the cat's area. Oh, he jumped again on me. He gave me a few bites now. And the other one is ready to jump on me now. Yeah, go away, go away. Go back, go back. Go back. Go back. Ouch. Ow, this is what I hate from cats. This is what I hate from cats. I love them, but I hate it when they show you love by putting their nails in your body. They can show love to you by putting their nails in your body. This is what I don't like from them, only. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go away. Good boy. That's it. Stay there. So outside is raining, and inside here they're so nice and warm, my lovely cats. This is Princess. She's doing great. This is Nana, the blind kitten, the blind cat. You remember the blind cat I had in the bedroom in the house? She's here now. And she can go in and out from the window. Even if blind, is doing great. There he is. Yeah. Totally blind. Some others are playing. Okay, so now I have to go again. Now I go back in the house to light the fire and do some more work. So, bye-bye again, and I will be back later. Bye-bye from Sir Tom. Bye-bye. Γεια σας.